Seems like hunting behavior. The fox usually is either going at a steady pace or kind of stops, pays attention to something, and here looks like it's trying to hear something on the ground. Could be a mouse, there's mice around. And I think this is the pregnant fox. You can see its sides there, you can see its face there for a second. But it looks like the bigger one. And it just kind of hangs out here for a little while. Like it maybe lost the thing that it was hunting, but it stands over here behind the tree for a second. Then here, this is down the hill. This is another fox, and it's just a few minutes after the other one that we were just looking at. So he's headed in the direction where the other fox was. And you can kind of see it looks a little more slim. And senses something right there. I'm not sure what it is at this point when I was watching for the first time. And then up in the top left, the other fox is coming. The bigger fox we saw hunting. And this one sits down, looks at it. Do they know each other? Is that the husband? Or that could be one of the older children from last year saying hello. I kind of think it's a child because it is very submissive behavior where when it first went close to the mother on the previous clip it laid down low, and this one it's trying to get in front of the mother fox and kind of be low to the ground, and that's what the puppies do. And I think it's to ask for food from the mother. They kind of just lay in front of her and lick at her mouth, hoping she'll produce something for them. You can see it's all submissive behavior. That was a nice jump there. Here, lay down. Mother walks away. Oh, don't want to play. Persistent. Block your path. Block your path again while laying down. This is the same scene just from a different angle right here. It looks like a kid. They used to play in this spot last year, that same spot. Lots of playing happened there, so it's good to see one of the kids from last year back in town where he grew up and doing well.